the outset, allow me to welcome each and every one of you to the joint opening ceremony of the Cadet Officers Qualifying Course, Class of 2024 of SFIST and CAT College. We gather here today to mark the commencement of a journey that transcends mere training. It signifies the forging of our OTC officers, future uniformed service officers, and community leaders. COQC stands as a beacon of transformation where aspiring cadets undergo rigorous preparation not only to earn their stripes, but to embody the values of honor, integrity, and service. It serves as the vessel where potential meets disciplined guidance, shaping individuals into resilient leaders capable of navigating challenges with conviction and determination. Beyond its conventional definition, COQC represents a gateway to empowerment, a platform where dreams take flight and aspirations become reality. It is the nexus where passion converges with purpose, where ordinary individuals transcend their limitations to become extraordinary stewards of change. To our ROTC cadets, I say this: COQC is more than a course. It is a testament to your resilience, tenacity, and unwavering commitment to excellence. I do encourage you to take the challenges ahead, for they are stepping stones to greatness. Let COQC be not just a milestone in your journey, but a defining chapter in the narrative of your leadership. Together, let us embark on this transformative voyage, united in our pursuit of service, honor, and relentless pursuit of excellence. Once again, welcome to the opening ceremony of this event.
Sabay na darang mga pagsubok na dinara. second class, first class, Miss May Pulangi. O di sa first class of Pulangi Campus. Nandito, PCMC graduate.
Hindi kami patatao, masugatan man, tuloy pa rin ang laban. Kalasan, hura! Pinasama-sama taas noong isigaw, ni kailan ba'y di bibitaw. Kalasan, hura! Katapangan, lakas at sagisag, aming sigaw.
Sabay na inarap mga pagsubok na dinaranas para sa pangarap, iba'y ang loob. Di kami patataob, masugatan man, tuloy pa rin ang laban.
Kalasan, hura! Nagsama-sama taas noong isigaw, di kailan may di bibitaw. Kalasan, hura! Katapangan, lakas at sagisag, aming sigaw. Iisang layunin para sa tungkulin na pagsilbing gabay tungo sa kapayapaan.
Dugo na pawis ang puhunan para sa inang bayan, sakit at hirapan sabay nating lalampasan.
Kalasan, hura! Nagsama-sama taas noong isigaw, di kailan may di bibitaw. Kalasan, hura! Katapangan, lakas at sagisag, aming sigaw. Simulang magsikap, sabay-sabay na hinarap mga pagsubok na dinaranas para sa pangarap. Tibay ng loob, hindi kami patatao, masugatan man, tuloy pa rin ang laban. Kalasan, hura! Pinasama-sama taas noong isigaw, ni kailan ba'y di bibitaw. Kalasan, hura! Katapangan, lakas at sagisag, aming sigaw. Aming sigaw.
sabay na inarap mga pagsubok na dinaranas para sa pangarap, iba'y ang loob. Di kami patataob,
balikan. Pilipresin ko pa yung balikan. Ha? Ito yung natin ang balikan mo.
Hurra, 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 hurra.